Okay, hello guys. Today we're going to talk about logarithms. Yeah. So first of all, there's some logarithm rules to know and some examples. Let's see. This is usually what logarithm looks like. Log base a x equals b, and this has a to the b power equals x. So basically, what it's talking about is, let's look at this example. From here, log base 2, 8 equals 3. So this means 2 to the third power equals 8. That is right? So yeah, this is all what logarithm is. And as it is written here, it is a simply other way of writing an exponent. So other rule is when you multiply, you can spread it out by adding them or to the other side, but when you go to the opposite side, the base has to be the same number. As an example here, 3x, if this is multiplied, then it can be separated as 3 log base 2 3 plus log base 2x. So the third rule is when it's divided, then you can go for negative. And for this one, if there's a power on the x, then you can pull that out in front of the log, just like this. So because this is the squared, you put 2 in front of the log. So let's study this with some examples. Okay, number 1, log base 525 equals x. Let's say this is x, and we have to get x value. So as we learned in the front, 5 to the x power equals 25, and x will equal 2, right? And what does x equal in number 2? Log base x, 125 equals 3, so x to the third power is 125. Then x will be this. The x value is 5. And for number 3, you cannot just multiply this because the base number is different. So what you have to do is this value would be 2 and this value would be 2 again. So before, because 5 to the squared is 25 and 4 to the squared is 16. And for 4, the same thing, 3 to the squared is 9, so that would be 2. Negative 2 to the fourth power would be 16, so 2 minus 4, which is minus 2, would be the answer. And for number 5, express this in an expanded form. Okay, let's see. First of all, what I said is, according to this rule over here, you can bring it down. You can bring the power down. So it will be this, and then now what can you do? You can expand it, that because this is in multiply. You can expand it by the sum. So just like this. This is basically it. So today we talked about the logarithms, and see you in the next class.